Hello guys and gals, welcome to one of How to Smartphones tutorial videos on the Samsung Galaxy Note 8. If you guys find this video helpful, be sure to give me a thumbs up, like this video, and if you guys like to see other helpful tips and tricks and tutorials on the Note 8, check out that playlist in the description below. In this video, I'll be showing you guys how to turn the battery percentage on and off on the Note 8. So I'm just going to go ahead and start off by showing you guys that the Note 8 comes factory set with that battery percentage showing. As you guys can see right up there at the upper right hand corner, I have about 50% left on my device. If that's something that you do not like seeing on your status bar, what we're going to want to do is just go ahead and remove it. So the first thing we're going to do is start off by going into settings. Once you are in settings, we're going to go into display. Once you get to display, go ahead and scroll down and you will see status bar. Right there, go ahead and select that, and the second option down is show a battery percentage. So if you want to get rid of it, if you don't want it to show anymore, all you're gonna have to do is just deselect that, and it turns that battery percentage icon off. It doesn't show the number, the battery percent remaining. So let's say you don't have it on for whatever reason, your phone reset, you turned it off a long time ago and you want it now. The way to do it, start off by going into settings. From settings, go ahead and go into displays. Once you're in displays, go ahead, scroll down till you see status bar, and then show battery percentage. Go ahead and select that, and that battery percentage will turn on. So that is how to turn the battery percent remaining on and off on the Note 8. Hope you guys found this video helpful. If you did, be sure to give me a thumbs up. If you guys have any other comments, questions, or concerns, drop them in the comment section below. I appreciate any kind of feedback. That's all I got for you guys in this one. Thanks for watching. Have a nice day.